good? Welcome to another edition of Lifestyle 011. It's 7 p.m. It's a Saturday. It can only mean one thing. Wena, nam, siaplakana. To everything lifestyle, entertainment, and culture. My name is Sabta, the A-class DJ. So for the next 30 minutes, must be grand, be sharp. In fact, right now on the socials, go tell your friends. The hashtag is STV Lifestyle 011. With that being said, I want to elevate your lifestyle and take you through a business that is softer. It's the Nest Space out a Parktown North. We got to hang out with the owners to find out more about this amazing business that I hope wena mawufikara uzobatshela ukuthi iLifestyle 011 ikuplakile. Asiqale la.
Hi, my name is Dr. Aness Mbijo. I'm a medical doctor originally, as well as a yoga teacher, but I've really invested a lot of my time towards steering my career towards mental well-being and mindfulness. So along with Vanessa running the Nest Space, I also do talks, workshops, and teach yoga on a day-to-day basis.
Hi, my name is Vanessa Tseki, and I'm a yoga teacher and wellness entrepreneur. My background is in entertainment and events, so I've been a music promoter for a couple of years, managing artists, and then I decided to segue into more of the wellness space, and that's currently what I'm busy with now.
I think when it comes to healing, a lot of what's put out there is that it's a very positive, light and love-filled journey. But when you actually get into the depths of healing, you realize that it's quite confronting, it requires a lot of vulnerability, and it's really useful to have a tribe or community around you to support you through that journey. So having experienced being in wellness spaces where there weren't a lot of people of color, no one discussed the importance of racial, gender issues, queer politics, even though those are a huge part of healing, especially if you belong to those groups, it just made me feel like there was something lacking in the wellness space, a lack of representation and a lack of safety for those who really needed to heal. And so that's where the idea of the Nest Space came, having that personal experience. And the wording, it's so interesting. It's something that Vanessa and I laugh at all the time. When I first came up with the word, the Nest Space, it was this idea of safety. There's something about when you think of a nest, you think of that being your place where you develop, where you grow, but then you go beyond it, you expand beyond it and fly.
Lots happens at the Nest Space. All kinds of things happen at the Nest Space. Fundamentally and primarily, we do yoga. We have a series of incredible yogis of color who are qualified and trained in different practices and disciplines of yoga. That's also what people don't understand, is there are many types of yoga. So that's fundamentally what we do. We offer yoga, meditation, and holistic healing services such as Reiki, which is an energetic form of healing, and massages and etc. Then the event component is really nice as well. We have musicians having like tiny desk-like environments and unplugged. We had a Zimtoti here last weekend, and they curated a brunch full of vegan food, and their whole thing is about linking indigenous African food with plant-based living, which is quite nice. We have all sorts of things. I wish we could even box ourselves, but we always get surprised by the inquiries of what people want to do with this space. And I think it speaks to, it's not a space that we so much curate, but what our community tells us what it does.
So you can find us on all social media platforms. Our handle is @TheNestSpaceZA, and then our email is info@thenestspace.co.za.
And our website is www.thenestspaceSouthAfrica.co.za.
It's just the Nest Space.
Oh, just thenestspace.co.za, and you can find our numbers out there as well.
And just like that, if you're looking for wellness and you want something that you can take usisi to yona for ama yoga, ama reiki, and ama spa, ama massage out here, go check out the Nest Space at Parktown North. Now, I'm always about plugging, and the next business, lifestyle business that I'm going to plug you into is called the Ijuba Nobkobe. We got to hang out with the management, and we got to find out more about this amazing business. Asieda.
My name is Susan Mtsweni Mahlangu. I am the owner and the founder of Ijubanobkobe Cranberry Gin and Tonic, and also the sparkling wine called Nectar Rosé. Well, my culture, they are legends. They are doctors. Who are busy with our culture, trying to taking our culture and our attires and everything, our painting high. So there are two women that inspired me to like follow them, because I look at them, I'm like, oh, they are getting old. Who's gonna be the next legend? I don't have to do exactly the same what they did. I can do something else, but I can follow their logic, which is Dr. Esther Mahlangu, who painted the BMW, and also Dr. Nothembi Mkhwebane. He's the singer, like an artist. Yes, those are the two women who inspired me to think about this.
My name is Nandlenkosi Maliwe. I am the sales and marketing for Ijubanobkobe. I'm the head of sales and marketing for Ijubanobkobe. So anything that you see marketing related within the brand, I do that. The events that the brand hosts, I do that. The adverts that you see that are made from the brands, I write the script, I direct everything until you guys see the final product. So when I joined Ijubanobkobe, I was so excited because in my whole life, I've worked with well-established brands. So I felt like I don't have an opportunity to make my mark, because when you are joining a well-established brand, it's been there. Whether you are there or you are not there, it's not there. So when I came across Ijubanobkobe, I felt like this is gonna make my mark. As a marketer, as a person who's just doing PR, this is gonna make me. Okay, so they can contact us at mandla@ijubanobkobe.co.za via email. We prefer email because in calls sometimes we miss calls and whatever, but if you send an email, whether we see it tomorrow, we see it later, we can always respond to you. But automatically, if you order via our website, automatically we get a notification and we do the packaging, we do the delivery. And then also in terms of orders, we do have packages that people can visit our website also. We have packages where we can come and do an official bar at your wedding. We've got a package where you prepay for 50 bottles of champagne, so we'll give them to your guests. We also make cocktails using our products. We also can offer your guests gin and tonic, so whether you just pay for everything, we come and set up a live bar, sort of like a VIP lounge, and that's what we provide.
If you're all about celebrating culture, and of course culture is a big part of us right here on Lifestyle 011, Ijubanobkobe is the business you should be plugged into. With that being said, because we've got more plugging for culture, entertainment and lifestyle right here on Lifestyle 011. Siyabuya ngoku. Yo, welcome back to Lifestyle 011. Dango is thank you. We appreciate you so much for choosing Lifestyle 011 on Soweto TV. With that appreciation, we'd also appreciate it if you're just on the socials, hashtag STV Lifestyle 011. Let us know what you think. With that being said, we move to our mover and shaker of the week. And because you are shining, J. Jody decided to call his album Shine Old Clock, and it's all about that right now. My sweet, sweet Queen Azi, aka Auswako Strateng, got to sit down with J. Jody and hear more about this amazing album. Let's go there.
What up, lifestylers? It's another edition of Mover and Shaker. I'm sure my kids sometimes I test it out when it comes to speaking to really incredible people. That's what we do on Mover and Shaker. And I'm very happy to say that this week we're hanging out with one of my favorite artists, one of your favorite artists as well. He goes by LL Cool Jody, Blue. It really just depends on where you are in the circle. His name is J. Jody. We're going to be talking Shine O'Clock, and I'm going to see if he's going to give me any exclusives of anything that he's got going on. But let's see how we go right here on Mover and Shaker. What up, bro?
What up?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. I feel like it's been a minute.
Yeah, it has
since we've done one of these.
Yeah. The last time was like what, 2 years ago or 3? I'm bad at numbers. But yeah, it's been a minute.
How have things been in the past, let's say 2-3 years?
A lot of things, hey? It's a cocktail of good, bad, win, loss, happy, sad, worried, and just relaxed. It's just a lot of things. It's just human elements, trying to, because I picked up another thing. When we're saying we're busy, and about to, sometimes feel like, yo, this man's just acting busy. I don't think they get it, because also your personal life is work as well. You need to work on that. So sometimes maybe reach out or because I'm busy. And it's not busy as all the time. It's busy also trying to, run a family or type of thing. So everything is work. That's why you gotta work on yourself, right? Yeah. So I think there's been that. It's been also the business, it's music, it's family also, like, as in not, the family that I
Your
created.
nucleus,
Yeah, the family that, my mother, my brothers type of stuff. So it's a lot of things that, and being firstborn, certain responsibilities are on me now, So it's been that, but it's been good.
So I wanted to just get a sense of where you are, the man behind J. Jody, the brand, right?
Yeah.
And now I want us to talk Shine O'Clock.
Yeah.
When did we start with Shine O'Clock? There were some delays. There's a lot that's happened with Shine O'Clock, but take me to the beginning. When did the concept come to you for Shine O'Clock?
Yo, man. I think around the time when we were working on the last album we worked on as Benchmark, which was the Power Trip album, right? There was thoughts of that, Vele. The conversations were going, Tahoreo, we might have to embark on our solo missions, So, yeah, it was around that time. I work ahead. I hate being under pressure for things like that, so I work ahead all the time. So yeah, around that time I was thinking about it, but I hadn't really made music to go into that world yet.
Right.
But I was gathering myself and gathering my thoughts, and also just doing some living so that I know exactly what I want to say on Shine O'Clock. But yeah, it's around, I would say, the thoughts were happening 2019. 2020, they were starting to kind of like take place now, Pila. And yeah, that's when I started making songs here and there. And then, 2021, I'm in now. And then 2022, I'm still working. And then 2023, I wanted to drop, but, things didn't work out the way I want them to work out, because I really wanted this to be a moment. I really wanted to mark an era, where if you look back, you're like, man, that certain time period when Jody was in his Shine O'Clock bag, that was dope, So that's why I'm like a cartoon character now. Outside, I wear, the same outfit sometimes, you know what I mean? Because I am marking an era, so that 2027, henga para leather jacket, Joe. You know what I mean? So it's visual things that you do for people to also have bookmarks of certain moments in life, because that's what life is.
Okay, so looking at the album practically before we dip, who did we work with? We know the features now that the album is out. We've got Black Key on there, 25K, Black Les, A. Reese, Ayanda Chia. Who else did you work with on the album? And
Gemma
also
Fassi.
Production-wise.
Okay, so let me start with the production. Production-wise, one name that comes through a lot of times on the album is Iceman Beats. So Iceman Beats, definitely. I have Rilo, who made It Anyway, and the Soul Ties one with Gemma Fassi. Shout out Gemma Fassi as well. She's a great talent. Rilo Beats is the Be I'm Good song. Michael Tui.
Yes, it's Michael Tui.
Yeah.
I was there.
I don't know
it's
if
Michael Tui, it's right.
Yeah, yeah, Tui. Yes. So Michael Tui as well with Vamonos. I have TK.
Yes, TK10 stacks.
One half of 10 stacks, yeah, one half of Benchmark, you know, so we're still working that way. So he produced Red and Blue and Olay. And then I have Sick Beat Prince, one of my favorites. He's from Pelcom. Very quiet, but very brilliant mind, you know. He produced The Cool. What else? Yeah, The Cool.
Yeah.
And then I produce some of the things. Love is Pain is me.
While Fita Fast,
And then
I produced some of the things. Peter Have.
I produce some of the music.
Good job, yes.
Yeah, I see what you're doing. Yeah, this is a disease I must work on there. Merch is out, the album is out. Please go support music videos. I'm going to be shooting more. I'm going to be doing live shows. I want to do that too.
Nice.
You know what I mean? So, yeah. If there's anything else, go to my website, www.jjody.com, you know, for exclusive things. But I'm still working on that site too. But I'm working on it. But it's up, it's live, and yeah, I think I've plugged myself.
I think you did a good job.
As
I think
well
you did a
as
good
I-
job.
yeah.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us on Lifestyle
Thank you guys for
011.
coming through.
Thank you for Shine O'Clock.
Thank
I think
you.
it's
Thank you
really
for listening.
beautiful. Of course.
Yeah.
I think it's super powerful. And kita wanada.
I ain't a flop. I ain't a flop.
That's J Jody, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you check out Shine O'Clock. Make sure that you are subscribing, pre-adding, following, and I promise you, he's got some really dope things coming your way. That's how we wrap up Mover and Shaker on Lifestyle 011.
Dr. J Jody, looking forward to this amazing album called Shine O'Clock. Go check it out. It will be available on all DSPs. We're all about plugging you to culture, lifestyle, and entertainment. And this guy, J Jody, has been in the game for such a long time. And I'm so proud to see him doing so well in the game right now. Shine O'Clock, Tango J Jody. With that being said, let's take a quick break. Siyabuya ngoku. Welcome back to Lifestyle 011, your plug to Yonkindo, culture, entertainment, and lifestyle. We're almost at the end of the show on every Saturday at 7 p.m. But of course, we can't wrap it up and talk about being a plug to lifestyle, entertainment, and culture if asukuthathi sukubonise what's happening at the most amazing events that are happening in and around Gauteng. With that being said, masibize usisi wasestrateni uAzi asibonise where she's at, who she's talking to, and link us to all the amazing events that are happening in Jozi. Azi, asambe sis.
Musadi, Mfazi, Fro, Queen, Princess, whatever it is that you call the woman in your life, by now I am sure that you know that her value cannot be quantified, but it certainly can be celebrated. And that is what we are here to do tonight at the 3rd Annual Basadi in Music Awards. So join us, Lifestyle 011, as we go and honor the incredible work of women from radio to TV and of course music and entertainment in general. So let's head inside. We're out at the Joburg Theatre and let's see how Basadi in Music celebrates women in entertainment. All right, we're still out at the Basadi in Music Awards as Lifestyle 011 on Soweto TV. And I told you I'm going to keep grabbing the most beautiful and exceptional women that are here. And who'd I be to not talk to Cece? How are you?
I'm good, girl, and how are you?
I'm good, thank you. First of all, you look beautiful. Who are you wearing?
I am dressed by Biso Atelier. It's a designer that I work with, you know, usually. So love it. She always just knocks it out of the park. So Looking Glass, and I mean, come on.
Who are you and what do you do?
I am Mimi Ray. I am a content creator. I have a TV show with Holly. We have it on SABC. I also do content, as I said. I bake, I cook sometimes, and it's really my passion. Also with my sister Holly. Yeah, that's mostly it. I think
that is intense. I feel intimidated, and it's not gonna get any better because I am with
Miss Holly Ray. I'm a singer-songwriter, Basadi Award winner. Yeah. that's me as well.
So I hear that this year you are presenting an award. Please tell me a little bit more about that.
So I am presenting Pop Artist of the Year, which is so exciting because I won it the first and second years. I'm really excited to be passing on the baton this year to the new Pop Artist of the Year, and then I'm also presenting Gospel Artist of the Year.
All right, so we are backstage at the Basadi in Music Awards. Earlier on, I brought you just incredible women who are walking the carpet. Now, I am bringing you award winners. I'm super excited. You just walked away with an award. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I feel so happy. I feel so happy and in disbelief. And funny thing is that when I was talking to Sister Zintle, she's like, we were having a conversation. She's like, sister, do you see why you didn't win Idols? And, it's all now coming back to me. I now get it.
I'm still bringing you winners at the Basadi in Music Awards, the 3rd annual Basadi in Music Awards right here on Lifestyle 011 on Soweto TV. I have another award winner. She is going to introduce herself as a Basadi in Music Award winner. Take it away.
Heart of Love, this is Rain Africa, reggae female artist from Val, and I just won best reggae artist of the year. We're good. I don't even know,
We're still out at the Basadi in Music Awards. I've got another award winner. Now, I want you to introduce yourself as a Basadi in Music Award winner. Let us know the category that you just won in.
Timelang, my name is Noni Kumalo, and I am officially the entertainment TV producer of the year.
And that's how we wrap it up for tonight from the 3rd annual Basadi in Music Awards. A big congratulations to all the winners from tonight, as well as the nominees. You are seen, you are heard, and your work is loved and appreciated. From me, also Agustrateng for Lifestyle 011, right here on Soweto TV. It's good night, and catch you at the next one. There's a new kid on the block on the awards scene, and their name is the Behind the Scenes Awards. Created by Karabo Motokgaelwa and Ncebo Mdima, the awards aim to shine a spotlight on those who are normally in the shadows of well-known celebrities.
And the nominees are Date My Family, Single and Mingle, and Lifestyle 011.
Hi Soweto TV, my name is Ncebo Mdima. I am the founder of Behind the Scenes Awards, a first of its kind celebrating and recognizing creatives as well as teams behind the scenes.
My name is Karabo Motokgaelwa. I'm the executive director for the Behind the Scenes Awards. Like my partner said, it's the first of its kind, and we're awarding people, or recognizing people rather, both in the media and entertainment industry. So it's, a collective of industries coming together under one umbrella and celebrating the achievement they've made in building brands.
From makeup artists to content creators and so much more, those who aren't normally celebrated in the traditional sense now take center stage at the Behind the Scenes Awards.
My name is Lungelo KM. I'm the founder and host of Engineer Your Life with Lungelo KM. It's a podcast with over 4 million views on just YouTube only. I don't really know what the views are on other streaming platforms, but yeah, that's where we were. We're also winners of the Mail and Guardian Top 200 Young South Africans in the film and media category for 2024. Yeah, so that's where we sit.
I am Usim Piwenduli, but popularly known as Usim's Right on social media. I am your entertainment, trending news and gossip hub on YouTube. We have over 108,000 subscribers, and we are on Instagram and TikTok.
A big congratulations to all the nominees, including Soweto TV's very own Lifestyle 011, who got the nod in the Most Loved Youth Program category. The Behind the Scenes Awards are set to take place in November 2024. We will see you there.
Oh man, and just like that, we've come to the end the moment engayithandiyo ke yeshow lesithi siyayivala. Shout out to, of course, uAuswako Strateng. She's always on the street. Uyasithanda sistrata ke. I hope na season 3 izawuba nguye ebangena ebonisa wena all the coolest events around Gauteng and of course around South Africa. With that being said, it brings us to the very end of Lifestyle 011 for season 2. Let's link up hopefully next time for season 3. Kamanam Gusapta, the A-Class DJ. I appreciate you so much for taking the time to hang out with us every single Saturday at 7 p.m. right here on Soweto TV. Just like that, Niti A-Class, Dango is thank you. Bye-bye.